Welcome back, everybody. We're doing a quick grocery haul today. We went to two different stores. We're going to start with Walmart and then we'll do Aldi next. All right, let's start over here. We got some egg-free ribbons for making some chickpea noodle soup. Got a thing of celery here. Brown rice, just 2-pound bag of brown rice. Over here I got some lentils. Need some more of those. I'm making a lot of lentil soup lately. Got a couple jalapenos down here. A couple cans of tomato paste. Some baking powder, got a Roma tomato, and then 2 jars of our new favorite pasta sauce. This one, the kettle cooked one, is really good. We got some small shells. That's going to be for minestrone that I'm going to make later. I'll probably do a video for that. Got some angel hair. That's for dinner tonight. And the cannellini beans are for the minestrone as well. In the back, I got a thing of red wine vinegar. Got some yellow cornmeal. I'm gonna have a cornbread recipe coming out pretty soon. Oil-free cornbread recipe, so stay tuned for that. All right, down here we got a couple oranges, couple onions, and then back up here we got some no salt added tomato sauce. Up here we got 3 cans of no salt added diced tomatoes, and then down here we got a can of no salt added crushed tomatoes. This brand here is the only one that I can find that has the big can of the no salt added crushed tomatoes. So I'm sure there's another. If I go to like Giant Eagle, I could probably find another brand, but it'd cost me an arm and a leg. All right, so we got some frozen veggies, just some green beans, mixed vegetables there, a couple bags of broccoli florets. That's it for Walmart. Moving on to Aldi. All right, so the Aldi part's a little bit smaller of a haul, mostly produce. Got a bag of spinach for some different things. Got 3 bell peppers, different colors. I think those were on sale too. They were pretty cheap. I think it was like $2.69 for the 3 bell peppers. It was a good price. Got a bag of baby carrots here. I'm always eating those. Some dried sweetened cranberries. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with those. I might try to make some like muffins or something, who knows. And 3 jars of salsa. These are like $1.79, I believe, over there, which is quite a bit cheaper than buying salsa anywhere else. And their salsa, while it's not great, it's not bad either. Got 2 things of mushrooms here. They were on sale for like $1.29 each, so grab some of those, probably air fry those up or something. Maybe cut some up and freeze them for soups later. This is new. I actually tried to find breadcrumbs at Walmart. I'm gonna be doing, so it's gonna be a meatball recipe, but using soy curls, and I needed breadcrumbs for it. So Walmart, all the breadcrumbs there except for one had milk and eggs in it. The one that didn't said that it may contain milk, so I decided I'll look at Aldi. Well, Aldi had these breadless crumbs, all plant-based, as you can see. They're also gluten-free, which is fine. I don't mind gluten-free at all. So we're gonna try these with that recipe. Once I make those, and that may be today, I'll have that recipe up on YouTube as soon as possible. All right, that's it for Aldi. That's it for the grocery haul. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time, take care.
Hey there! Pat yourself on the back for making it this far into Chris's video. These vlogs of his can get pretty lengthy sometimes. Anyway, don't forget to like this video and please click the subscribe button. It's always free and it is the best way to support content creators like Chris the plant-based runner. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, safe travels.